Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today we have an unboxing of the September Boxyluxe. So if you want to see exactly what's in the September box, please continue to watch. Okay, I'm going to be looking down to let y'all know exactly what it is about Boxyluxe. For those who do not know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box. And you will get anywhere from 4 to 5 beauty products. And this is based off your profile beauty quiz. And it is $21 a month. Also, Boxyluxe is the upgrade version from Boxycharm, which you will have anywhere from 8 to 10 beauty items. And it is also based off your profile beauty quiz, or if they're doing a survey, they might send you an email and ask you, do you want this or this in your box? And it is an additional $28.99, which is a total of $49.99. All of this is without tax. Since I live in Alabama, with taxes for me, for just a regular Boxycharm, it would be $23.10. But for Boxyluxe, it is $54.99. That is what they take from me every month or every 3 months. But I will leave all this information in the bottom section of this video. So if you decide that this is something that you would like to invest in, I have a link where you can just click on that link and go check it out. Also, Boxycharm, like I said, you get anywhere from 4 to 5 beauty items, and it is $21 a month. But also the box will be anywhere from $100 or more, and you don't have to pay for $21. And Boxyluxe is anywhere from 8 to 10 beauty items, and it is $49.99 a month, and you will get anywhere from $300 or more in products. Okay, so let's open this box. Like I said, this is the way the box comes. Just a simple black box, and it has Boxycharm on in a heart in white. Okay, and when you open up the box, it has all of their website, and this is how it looks. And this is the card. And the theme for this month's box is all access. So all access is the theme. So with this card, they give you the theme as well as the names of all the products and the retail price for each product. And they also give you, I got 5L. Okay. I already see, just by looking at the card, I got some stuff that I did not want at all. So I am not happy with Boxycharm this month. Not at all. But anyway, for one thing, I did not get an email this time asking me to do a survey saying did I want this or that. So I'm very upset about that. But let's go ahead on and let's look in the box. The first thing I see in the box is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. And I already have this. I got this, I think, 6 months ago when we had, I think it was in the December Boxyluxe, I think. And so I already got this, and I don't need another one. It is absolutely gorgeous, the packaging and everything. But I still did not want it. It has a big mirror, and these are the shades. Like I said, I do not want it. I don't want it. This is not what I wanted. But like I said, you could pick from this, or it was something else you could pick from. But I have a picture over here to let you know exactly what it was that you could have picked from. You could have picked from this one or else that one. But like I said, I have a picture up there so you can see that. Okay. So Boxycharm, if you are watching this video, can you send me an email or something so I know, can I send this back and get something totally different? Because I don't need that. The next thing I got is the Voss Essential Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Now I was happy to get this one because this is what I wanted. And it does have a little mirror, and these are the colors. Okay? These are the shades. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the retail price for it. Okay, that Violet Voss, this one, it retails for $29. And this Park Avenue, this one retails for $45. But y'all talk about my nails, I know they need to be redone. The next thing I see in here is this Sutra Clipless Curling Iron, which I did not want. Like I said, I have a picture over here and let you know exactly which one you could have got. I think it was the brushes, and I wanted the brushes. I didn't want this. But anyway, this is the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with cool tip, and this retails for $65. The next thing I see is the Sunny Riley Bright Enzyme Water Cream. Now I definitely wanted this one. Yes, I did. And this one retails for $65, and I definitely wanted that. The next thing I see in the box is Dr. Bradley Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Okay, and this retails for $52. Okay. Next thing I see is this IGK Hydrating Hair Balm. And that one retails for $29. This is a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh hair down. Okay. I'm natural, so I might just put this in a giveaway because a lot of stuff don't work on my hair. The last two things I see, Hank and Henry black eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner. And this retails for $20. And the last thing in this box is a Stila liquid lipstick, and this is in Patina Shimmer, something like that. I would have preferred to get the MAC lipstick, but this is what I got. And this retails for $22. So the total for this box for this month was $327. Now where can you beat that? $327 worth of products, and the only thing you paying is $49.99. You can't beat that. Now, like I said, I will have all the information in the description section of this video, and you can click on the link and you can decide if you want to purchase or do a subscription or not. But like I said, out of this box, I would say just these two things is what I was glad to get. Just these two. And this is the Sun and Riley, and this is the Essential palette. All the rest of this stuff they could have kept. So I'm really not excited about this box, this month's box at all. But like I said, I will leave all the information in the bottom section of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.